everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's number, lockout time. Always exciting. I hope everybody is okay. But without further ado, I do have an unboxing. It come in a box like that. So what do you guys think it is? Part of my Mother's Day gift from hubby Ted. Thanks, Ted.
You're welcome.
Please like, subscribe, share, and comment. It's always appreciated, and make sure you leave comments below if you have any requested videos that you'd like to see me do. I'll be more than happy to put something together for you. If you're new, thanks so much for everything, and if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Got my blade. So it's hard to cope with lockout. And hopefully it will be over soon, but it doesn't look that way, basically. Yeah, they're saying that it's going to be like maybe a month. I really don't think so, but hopefully it is. Because this lockdown and all this stuff is starting to get on my nerves.
Don't worry about it, you got me.
Oh yeah. That's true. I got Teddy to keep me company. Alright, let's see if I can open this box that they don't want me to open. Holy. Okay, let's see here. Let's try another angle. Yeah, it's either not hardly any tape on it, or there's like a massive amount. Okay. Ah! Woohoo! Finally in. Ah, it's from Pandora. Very cool. Okay, I got my receipt there. Okay. Little Pandora pouches and pink Pandora tissue. Alright, let's see what I got and see if you guys can see it okay. It's kind of hard because these charms are pretty little. But it's to go with my Mother's Day bracelet that I showed earlier, the rose gold one. The other charms that I ordered, they didn't have them in stock, so these are the ones that they had in stock. So, ooh, they got a blue. You got a blue plastic pouch. Say that a number of times. Alright, let's see what we got here. Everything is hard today. Okay. Alright. Alright, let's see what this one looks like. Okay, well that's pretty nice. It's like little flowers, and then the rose gold is on the side there. Oh, hopefully it's kind of focusing. Alright, let's see what else we got here. And when the other one comes back in stock, it's like a heart with a purple heart, and it's real pretty. But the strange thing about Pandora is that they won't just they won't just reorder it for you when it comes back in stock. For some reason, you have to pick it, then you have to like send it, order it again, basically. Okay. So let's see what this one looks like. All right, that's kind of cool. This is a heart with little rhinestones on it. So maybe you guys can see it. Maybe it's focusing on my face. Okay, well you guys kind of get the idea. It has a heart within a heart and it's rose gold. And then it has a little saying on it. Okay. And that's in the rose gold plate, basically. It says Pandora. Yeah, it's pretty little. Oh, it says Pandora, Pandora. Okay, maybe if I kind of turn it a little bit. Okay, you can kind of see it now. Yeah. But there's like a heart within the rose gold, and then on both sides it says Pandora, Pandora. All right. Let's see if this one has any sayings on it. No, it's just the... Yeah, it's pretty though. It has like little...
With light.
flowers on it. Yeah, there we go. You kind of get the idea. And then it has the rose gold on the side. Oh yeah, they're pretty cool actually. And then when the other one comes in stock, then I'll order that one as well. Alright, so that's my unboxing and my two Pandora charms. I hope everybody's staying sane and safe. I know it's pretty hard to be in the house 24/7, so we had to get out and get our mail and get some groceries and stuff because it's kind of crazy. All right, so until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.